Ladies, if you don't want to spend a lot of money but still want to look fashionable and in trend without putting a lot of efforts, I have an easy solution for you. Just use this scarf, keep watching, and I will show you how. Hi everyone, it's your girl Peachy and welcome back to my channel Passion by Peachy. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm so happy that you're here. Just please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any cool and useful video. So recently the 90s fashion trend is back and I'm like really so excited about it because it was my actual time. If you remember your favorite singers back in the day was Britney Spears or Christina Aguilera, you were in my time. But today guys, we're not gonna talk about Britney Spears or any other celebrities back in 90s, but rather I'm going to help you and show you how to get into this 90s fashion trend again by using just the scarf. The scarf is the multifunctional accessory that I think that every woman needs to have. And honestly, I think this is a very easy and quick way to add the color and put an interest to your outfit. And most importantly guys, it saves you from a bad hair day. Okay, now so let's talk a little bit about the scarf that I have. So this one, yesterday I went to ZARA and I found this cute looking scarf. It looks so chic and trendy, and so I decided to get it, and it's only $29.95 Australian dollars, so very reasonable. The material, it's very silky. If you can see, very smooth and very soft. It feels amazing on my skin. And the color look very bright. So my technique of choosing the scarf, I would recommend you to choose something more colorful so that way it can add up some exciting to your outfits. And I also have this like black and white looking scarf. I think I got this from H&M and it should be something less than $15, but I'm pretty sure that you can either find the cheaper one, or if you want to go for brand name, then it could cost you like the Gucci one that I actually checked. It was like almost $300. So I mean, if you don't mind spending that much money, go ahead and do it. But like for me, I'm just gonna stick with the affordable and kind of, you know, whatever that I feel really good and happy with my wallet. So now on to the fun. I'm gonna be showing you 5 best ways to style the scarf and make you look fashionable, chic, and also very well put together without putting a lot of efforts. If I can do it, 100% you guys can do it too. So I'm gonna be ranking from the easiest one to the most difficult one, but the most difficult for me is still like really easy to do anyway. Okay, so the look number 1, it called the bow tie look. If you are the very beginner and you never wear the scarf before, I would suggest you to try this style. This style is like the easiest way possible that you can do. So first of all, what you want to do is that you should tie your hair, and it should be the low ponytail. Okay, easy, right? And then you simply pick one of the scarf that you like, and then you're just gonna wrap it around the low ponytail. It look like a square like this, right? And what I do is I just make it look like a triangle, kind of grab in the middle, make it look like this, and then so if you move it to the side, it's also give you kind of like sweet look as well. How cute this is. Now to make it look even cuter, then you kind of add some accessory like earring to complete the look. I think the gold and the black scarf kind of go together. Isn't that cute? look number 2, it's you need to choose an oversized silk square. I think even this size it's enough. It doesn't have to be like really big one. We simply fold a square scarf in half. We're gonna leave this loose here, and then we're gonna use this to tie it under my hair. Okay, so let's do it. So you're gonna fold the scarf looking skinny and long. And so what you're gonna do is that you will flip over your hair. And then you kind of like fold it over, kind of adjust the bow. So this is a little bit like a Minnie Mouse kind of looking. So I prepare some glasses. Okay guys, so the style number 4 called up wrap around. So alright, first thing first, I'm gonna pull my hair up in a bun, okay? I have a lot of hair guys, so like my bun is gonna be huge. Just gonna use the pin. Alright, I think it should be okay. And then you do exact same thing. So you roll the scarf into like a very skinny, long looking, and then you tied it. And now I'm just gonna put it up. So it looks something like this. Ignore my crazy bun, yeah, but I think you kind of get my point, right? So this is how it looks. What I'm gonna do to complete the cute look and a little bit like sassy, because this is looking a little bit too cute here, I will just put the hoop earrings to make it more like sassy. Ta-da! How easy this is, guys. What do you think? To make it even more kind of like looking 70s, 90s, retro, I'm just gonna put this. And the style number 5, what you want to do is that you pick very oversized scarf because you want to wrap it, and then you want to have like kind of the tail. So I'm just gonna stick with my bun. And what I do is that I just wrap it around my head, and then I tied it. And you kind of put it on the side like this. So it look kind of like very Bohemian looking. And if you want to wear a Ray-Ban, then it could be good as well. I think this style would be like really nice for the beach, right? This is the reason why when you choose a scarf, you want to go like with the print or very colorful, so it's kind of pop up and add something to your outfit. So I let you see. Alright, this is just the last style. I know I said top 5, but I'm like, why not? I'm just gonna give you something else that it's easy. So what I'm gonna do is that I will try to like make my hair look straight. And then I'm just gonna wrap this.
And I would just tie it like this. Very tight. And then tie it one more time.
Like the biker hippie kind of look, right? This is pretty. I like this look. And I would just wear this pink. Seriously, this look though, so chic. This actually remind me, you know that music video from Rihanna?
Work, 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 something, something.
Anyway, so I got inspired by Rihanna, our goddess. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it's really useful and you guys get to try it because it's just so easy. All you need is just one piece of scarf. If you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so I can come up with a new creative idea to be able to give you guys some tips and tricks to make your life so much easier and to have fun together creating all this amazing look. And by the way, I will link the scarf that I got from ZARA at the description box, so feel free to check it. And please follow me on Instagram, Passion by Peachy, and please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share my video. And I will see you guys next week. Alright, thank you so much for your time today. ขอบคุณนะคะ อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กด subscribe แล้วก็แชร์นะคะ ถ้าเกิดว่าชอบวิดีโอแบบนี้ ชอบให้พี่ชีพาทำอะไรที่มันดูชิคๆคูลๆอะไรก็แล้วแต่อย่าลืมบอกด้วยนะ คอมเมนต์ข้างล่างได้นะคะ แล้วถ้ามีคำถามอะไรบอกได้เลย แล้วเดี๋ยวเราเจอกันอาทิตย์หน้านะคะ Love you to the moon and back บ๊ายบายค่ะ จุ๊บๆ